In this video, we're going to be doing long multiplication. And in this example, we're asked to work out 357 multiplied by 24. So what we want to do here first is to write out the problem that we want to solve. We're going to first take that 4 and multiply it by 357. 4 times 7 is 28. So I write the 8 at the bottom here. And then I take the 2, I write it on top of the 5. Then I multiply 4 times 5, which is 20. 20 add 2 gives me 22. So I write the 2 down here, other 2 to the top. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 add the 2 gives me 14. I'm left with 20. So the first thing I want to do is I want to write a 0 below the 8 before I start multiplying by my 2. Next, I take the 2, multiply it by 357. 2 times 7 gives me 14. I'm left with 1, which I write on the top of the 5. 2 times 5 is 10. 10 add 1 gives me 11. I write the 1 below the 4, and then I take the remaining 1 to the top of the 3. 2 times 3 is 6. 6 add 1 gives me 7. So now I'm going to add my 1428 and my 7140. 8 add 0 is 8. 2 add 4 is 6. 4 add 1 is 5. And then 1 add 7 is 8. So my final answer is 8,568. So this is how to do long multiplications.